Welcome back, average homeowner here. Looking for a project to do with this whole coronavirus mess. Since we drink water almost exclusively, and we now moved to a place where the water system's kind of crappy. We're gonna put a reverse osmosis system in, and again, there's a ton of these. I looked on the internet, got all confused, but I think I found one that I liked, and we're gonna go with it. That's the basic system there. There's another tank that goes under there. That all gets installed there. But first things first, we got to put a faucet on just for the filtered water. Here's the faucet. Okay. Just need a 1/2 inch hole in the granite. I've never done that before. I decided my hole is going to be right where that is. That's going to be a guide for my bit, which is a diamond bit made to cut through these countertops, put onto a grinder. We got some stuff to cool it down. So I'm going to tape this down, use that as my guide, and try to cut through this granite without screwing things up. Wish me luck. So I gotta say, this is going to be the scariest part for me. Now, I don't know that I could get deep enough with this bit, with this thing still on there. So I'm going to take it off now because my hole is well established. That was easy to install once the hole was in. So that part's done. Onwards and upwards. Here's the tank that your clean water is going to go in. You got to put this valve on the top. You wrap some Teflon tape, 5 to 7 wraps clockwise, and then you hand tighten this on. Maybe. Hand tight. They say until it stops. There you go. All right, so I'm going to try to point things out here. That valve goes to the refrigerator line. This is the drain valve you had to install. This is the other valve that comes off the water supply line that goes to the sink. Then this part here goes to the unit. The unit will get mounted right there with the tank right there. And that's all there is to it. You have a nice template here to throw a couple brackets in. Brackets are on. Here's the system all installed. You can actually hear it running. It is pressurizing this tank right now. Needs 3.5 gallons to run through that filter, which could take 1 hour to 3 hours, actually. And then you have to empty it and refill it again and empty it. They want you to run 2 tankfuls. So that could take the rest of the day. But right now, no leaks. It's all looking good. It's taken all day. I had to drain the system twice, but let's check it out. That's what I'm talking about. Some great water. This is the average homeowner. Till the next time.